In today's video, I'm going to show you how to manage your tasks in Outlook in just a few minutes. Staying organized is key, and Outlook makes it easy to keep track of everything. Start by opening your browser and going to the Outlook login page. Sign in with your Microsoft account to access your mailbox. Next, click on the To-Do icon in the lower left corner. This opens your task management area where you can view existing tasks and create new ones. To add a new task, click New Task. Give it a clear title and add any details like due dates, notes, or reminders. Using actionable words like call, review, or submit can make it easier to know what to do at a glance. Once you've filled in the details, click Add or Save. Your task will now appear in your list, and you can organize tasks into categories like work, personal, or urgent for quick access. And that's it. With Outlook tasks, you can stay on top of your to-dos, sync across devices, and keep your day organized no matter where you are. If this helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Outlook tips.